Hey there, Dewdrops. It's Diane from Corvina. I hope you're having a really good day. Today, we have accepted the scarf challenge for making this beautiful brown, yellow. All right, you think we can do it? This picture was submitted in our Corvina Facebook group. If you're not part of the Facebook group, run over there and join it, because every day, Monday through Friday, we select a challenge and create a beautiful one-of-a-kind scarf while you watch live on Facebook. All right, so without further ado, here are our colors. We have got a couple of oranges and yellows, and then all the rest are very dark. All right, sometimes I have a plan and sometimes I don't. Right now, I think I have a little bit of a plan, so hopefully it works out. If not, you'll see me change my mind and you'll get to see it no matter what. All right, guys, hope you enjoy this beautiful scarf. Remember, hit subscribe and hit that notification button so you can get my videos sent straight to you whenever we launch a new scarf making video. All right.